And we want to get right to that breaking news. U.S. Marshals looking for a wanted felony suspect in Hoover.
Now, the video you're looking at, it's something you'll only see on WVTM 13. U.S. Marshals breaching a room at the In-Town Suites in Hoover. Thanks so much for joining us here at 10 o'clock. I'm Jarvis Robertson.
And I'm Carla Wade. Our team was first on that scene in Hoover, and that is where WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn is live and local for us tonight.
Yeah, he's been following this manhunt for us. So, Aaron, what can you tell us? How are things looking so far?
Yeah, Jarvis, Carla, right now, like you said, Hoover police are helping out U.S. Marshals capture a felony wanted suspect. You can see that this is still a very active scene. You can see that they are still on the third floor here at the In-Town Suites on Montgomery Highway. We are at the intersection of Montgomery Highway and Valleydale Road, where this has been an active scene for hours right now. So what we know, we're going to show you some video from earlier, like I said, that we are only going to see here on WVTM 13. Again, this has been, this part of the area has been shut down for hours. And when we got here, we heard law enforcement say, "You're under arrest and come out with your hands up." Now, we don't know if the suspect has been captured yet, but we did hear some sort of shots fired, or maybe it was some hand grenades or something that was fired. They were fired one at a time, and we heard about 10 of them while we were here. Now, we do know that Pelham police are also helping out with capturing this suspect, and we saw a lot of people here in the area who were asking questions and just watching and trying to figure out what was going on. The area was blocked off, but the street has opened up. It opened up about an hour ago around 9 o'clock, and so again, it is unclear if that suspect has been captured just yet. So we are going to continue following this breaking news. But again, Hoover police are out here on Montgomery Highway near Valleydale Road, where they are helping out U.S. Marshals who are looking for a wanted felony suspect. And so again, we're going to keep you updated on air and online as soon as we get more information. For now, we're live here in Hoover. Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.